Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix backup camera not available on Volkswagen. This solution will work for the Volkswagen Tiguan, Volkswagen Golf, Volkswagen Polo, Touareg, Passat, and the Volkswagen Touareg. So if you guys have any of these models, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. So basically guys, one of the fixes we're gonna try is to disable and enable the option. So first of all, just go to your infotainment screen in the right side of your steering wheel. I'm gonna give you guys a closer look to see. So basically guys, once you're here, make sure that you are in the home section. If you're not, just click on the menu button and then you're gonna be here. Then you're gonna find all of your applications. So just go ahead and click on vehicle. And then here you're gonna find vehicle status. In the bottom right, you're gonna find settings. Give it a click. And then look for parking and maneuvering settings right here. So once you find it, here you're gonna find Park Pilot. So what you need to do guys is just try to deactivate the Park Pilot option. And then by clicking here on activate automatically, and then re-click on it and then try again, and your parking assistant should be working fine. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.